Hello, today we are going to look at how to use the sequence function in Excel. So if you want to generate numbers from 1 to 10, first you type equal to, then you type the word sequence. So you type equal to, type sequence, then you open brackets. If you want to enter numbers 1 to 10, so you enter 10, then you close the bracket. After that, then press the enter key. You see that to generate the numbers for you. So the command is equal to sequence. So we are generating 5 numbers, 1 to 5. Then you type 5. Then you close the bracket, then press enter. So you guess. So this is how to use the sequence function. So you type equal to, then you type the function sequence. So if you want to 1 to 100, so you type 100, then you close the bracket and press enter. You see that will generate the numbers 1 to 100 for you. So this is how to generate numbers using the sequence function. Thank you.